Let's do another energy check-in for you. Let's see how you're doing, how your partner's doing, and what are the energies between the two of you today. These are general collective readings, Scorpio. Will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin, Scorpio. Let's start your reading. The first card here that I have is the Knight of Swords, Seven of Cups, Ten of Swords, Five of Wands, Page of Wands, and the Moon card. And Scorpio, for me, this is side A, right? I'm now going to open side B. You will know which side you resonate best with, okay? For side B, I have the Six of Pentacles in reverse, Six of Cups in reverse, Queen of Cups in reverse, and the Six of Wands upright, Eight of Swords, and the Page of Cups. And what is the most expected outcome or action that person A will take, and one for person B. Alright, bottom of my spread, I do have somebody sitting here not accepting any offer, feeling bored, rejected, no excitement left in life. So keep this card here, Scorpio. This could be you feeling that way. It could be the cross watcher. I don't know. So let's take one card from here to see what is the underlying issue in this connection. Okay. Let's take a couple more from here. Scorpio and their person spirit. Okay. Let's take one more. Scorpio and their person. Oops, that's too many. Okay, let's keep them. Okay, let's take one more from here then. One card, Spirit, Scorpio and their person. Okay, I think we have enough, Scorpio. Let's begin our reading. So from the first look that I have on the spreads either side of me, I feel one person is they feel that because of some fight, maybe there was an argument or a fight, things are up in the air. This person is very confused now what to do. And the other person feels, yes, there was some kind of an imbalance in this connection, or there is, and the memories created between the two of you are not that pleasant anymore. So let's see what's going on. Why do you hide your pain from me? You know that I can see right through you. Our souls are entwined and reflect each other deeply. If you would only talk to me, I could help support your healing, and this would help heal me too. So maybe one person doesn't communicate properly. They always create confusion in the connection instead of being direct and asking for what they want or anything like that. They always end up creating confusion. And the other person says that's not an equal partnership. This is imbalanced. And each time you do that, you just create more and more bad memories for us. I'm a completely new and better person because of you. Telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. Because maybe in the past they pushed their partner away, and now how do they come back directly and honestly tell them that, hey, because of you, you've made me a better human being and I want you back. Now, I think pride and ego is in the middle. They don't want to say it directly, but they do it in indirect ways, which is creating more and more confusion, I think. I thought the grass was going to be greener on the other side, but it wasn't. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. My God, this card has come out for 3-4 zodiacs. So I think a lot of downloads are coming to us through music these days. I want to reach out but scared of what you might say. Giving up and leaving just seems so much easier than to deal with any more pain. Yes, I do feel person B has withdrawn their love now because they find this connection a bit imbalanced. Okay, so let's start clarifying these cards, Scorpio. Why does person A feel in the Knight of Swords and Seven of Cups energy? Knight of Swords and Seven of Cups energy. They're getting irritated, they're getting frustrated, they don't want to be stuck anymore, they want to come out of maybe some tower moment happened between the two of you, Scorpio. I don't know, but I think they've caused it as well, because they may have said or done something which was a bit immature, right? But right now they are really wanting to come out of this no action period, I think, between the two of you. They are missing that joy and happiness between the two of you, the celebration between the two of you, but they are a bit confused right now. Why is that, Spirit? Seven of Cups? What's the Seven of Cups? Oh, they're a little upset and angry because they feel like you don't want to work with them anymore and that you're very upset and angry. And see, they feel you're very angry, upset. You don't trust them anymore. You don't want to take action towards them. You're not passionate towards them anymore. And they may be also feeling that maybe you are now single, abundant, doing well on your own and have other options. And maybe that's why you're not giving them attention. And that's what's frustrating them and making them very angry with you, with person B. So what happened in the past, Spirit? Ten of Swords and the Five of Wands. I think there was a fight here, some argument, fight, conflict, which brought this connection to an ending. Yes, somebody was trying to play a mind game, the Five of Wands with the Five of Swords. So somebody was just trying to, win at any cost and just trying to put their partner down. I think it was done by person A, who is now realizing they made a very foolish choice to do that. They just created a problem out of nothing. And that's what's brought this connection now to an ending. Am I right, Spirit? Anything else about the Ten of Swords? Yes, somebody did something sneaky, and because of this fight, I think because of this fight that happened, somebody was trying to just be one up or show that I'm better or put their partner down. It created a conflict here, and somebody snuck away or left this relationship or sneaked away from this connection and put an end to this, saying, hey, I don't want to be in a place where I'm going to be mistreated. How do they feel about their partner now, Spirit? Person A feels this about their partner. They feel that their partner is moving forward. Yes, Wheel of Fortune. They feel luck is on their partner's side. They're moving away passionately in their creative projects. They're carving out a life for themselves. And they also feel that their partner is now keeping secrets and no longer open with them or sharing with them about what's happening. They're stressed out right now. They know that, something has not been done here. They're stressed about the fact that they know they should come and apologize maybe. They want to apologize. They are going back and forth in their mind. They're stressed out. They're overthinking the situation. They feel their partner will not trust them because their partner's lost trust for them now. But they are really, really wishing that things can re-begin once again after the complete ending that has happened. They are wishing that, they're wondering how to do it because they don't want to lose face either. They feel that telling you that I need you or I'm sorry will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. And the other person is saying, giving up and leaving just seems so much easier than to deal with all this pain that you've been, dishing out to me. Just by playing these foolish games of Anyway, so let's say person B, Six of Pentacles in reverse and the Six of Cups in reverse. That's how they're feeling. Yes, they're feeling this is not a balanced relationship. Now the memories created between the two of you are not that great. And this person is saying, I don't want to be in this pain. I don't want to be in this pain. Sorry, where was the card? Yeah, I want to give up and I want to leave, because leaving is better. Leaving and the stress behind is better than dealing with pain on a constant level. So this person is doesn't have the best memories now of this connection. One more, Spirit. Yes, they feel their partner is very selfish. They feel their partner manipulates and misbehaves maybe sometimes. They don't want to have any more conflict with the person who they feel is not there for their highest good, who doesn't take action to bring peace into a relationship, but does the opposite. Always creates conflict. And person B has decided, I don't want to be in a connection like this, and letting it go. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for this connection to go wrong? Queen of Cups in reverse and the Six of Wands. This is the way I see it, Scorpio. I could be wrong, but in the past, I think this Queen of Cups was not really giving of that emotion to person A and not making a decision maybe to be there with person A. And that kind of angered person A, because they had been waiting and watching for a long time, and they felt that, I may or may not be given this opportunity for a brand new beginning with person A, because they felt nothing was coming. And I think in the ego and pride, Six of Wands, Spirit, Six of Wands. Yes, they wanted their person A wanted their person to make a decision for them. They wanted their person to return back to them. But in their ego and pride, I don't think they said it directly, but maybe tried to trigger. Once they felt that they may not be chosen or they may not be accepted, they tried to trigger their person. How does person B see person A, Spirit? Eight of Swords and the Page of Cups. Yeah, person B feels that the person A is quite stressed out about this connection now. They are stressing about the fact that it's over. They feel their partner is worried about the fact that they are no longer investing into this connection, and they feel that there is no love here left. There is no more love left here. So what's this Page of Cups? They do also see their partner as what's this Page of Cups, Spirit? Not in the best light, I'm sorry. They feel, even though, yes, their partner may have already apologized to them or said something to them, person B doesn't want to live in a connection where they're going to regret it later. They are not sure whether this is worth working together for. They're thinking of releasing this. They still see their partner as very immature, very rash, and not sure whether it's worth investing in now. What action will person A take towards person B, Spirit, if they could? Seven of Wands. Why is that, Spirit? Seven of Wands. Yeah, I don't think person A at the moment is taking any action. They are also being a bit defensive here. They've realized what's happened in this connection. Some bad memories have been created right now, and things have totally stagnated at the moment. So I think person A is playing a bit defensive at the moment. What about person B? The High Priestess, again, not saying anything, keeping themselves to themselves, feeling this will be the wrong direction to go, and they're trying to take back control and take back charge of their own life. Yes, person B has made a decision. Take an angel blessing card to see if the angels have anything. Yes, I think somebody is finding the confidence in themselves. Yeah, somebody is finding the confidence in themselves to pick up that sword and say, I cut this connection off. Anything that's going to hurt me, bother me, or not going to come to me correct, I have the confidence to say no more. Okay, and this person knows that, they know what they've done, so they're just playing a bit defensive here, but not liking it. Okay, feeling very rejected, bored, because they're not sure whether they can have a re-beginning with person B once again. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.